Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. You're not going to want to miss this video. Dogecoin. How high could Dogecoin go? But I'm not just going to use, standard support and resistance. We're actually going to look into what's called the psychology of a market cycle today. And we're going to kind of dive deep into this. I'm also going to show you guys how all of our scalpers are doing really well. So if you guys like the strategy we're using, we're currently literally sitting at 116 wins and 0 losses, but I'll teach you guys a little bit of a quicker strategy you guys can trade today if you'd like to speed things up a little bit. But we actually won 2 trades in the same day on Shiba Inu. It's actually really cool. So that put us at the 15th and the 16th, and then we're also moving up the stop loss on the Luna trade. This morning on Luna, we were able to lock in 10.65% profit, and that thing is still going up. So guys, this is ridiculous how much money we're starting to make here in this account, and I've been showing you guys my own personal account through this whole journey that we've been going through here. Let me get this back over to the portfolio page. But 150,000 is break even for us. So we're sitting up about $7,151, and this actually pushed into the profit just about a couple days ago. So it's been pretty cool to be up, roughly, I'd say right around $7,000 in the last 2.5 days here. So pretty awesome. Okay, let's dive into Dogecoin. That's why you guys came here. Let's take a look at this, and we're going to go over the metrics here. Retail traders, their indicators are showing us that most retail traders waking up right now are looking to still go long because their indicators are showing that it's still bullish. Okay, what I think a lot of retail traders are doing this morning, let me dive in here and let's get a little bit deeper in here, is that they're looking at this higher low formation that I was looking at yesterday. In an uptrend that moves up this fast, a lot of your guys' pullbacks that you see, don't get too nervous about them because they're most likely just that. They're just pullbacks for continuation moves back up. It's only when we hit really strong resistances of structure where you really need to be watching for those pullbacks fast. I do think that Dogecoin can get up here. This is not my full prediction of the video, but I do think we can get up to about 17 cents probably by the end of next week. I don't see this going as a straight shot all the way up there. Okay, let's continue down here just a little bit. By the way, guys, our overall trade over here, we're currently sitting down 38.22%. I'm in this trade with you guys. How are we up $8,000? Well, diversification into multiple coins, as well as I ended up buying down a little bit lower here, telling you guys in Telegram when we ended up buying this down at 13 cents, and we're holding that position as well. So if you guys are following the Telegram, you guys are going to be doing very well. Watch this. Price or swell money flow and trend exhaustion. These indicators here are what people are using to scalp the markets. So here's how you guys scalp. This is a little bit more risky strategy, but if you guys watch, I'll show you how to access this. You guys can trade this. When trend exhaustion is in the bottom right section and well money flow is low, you guys are looking to scalp this market for 3 to 4%. Okay, this right here is not a great signal. Why? Because well money flow is not very low. So I'm going to take that off here. But you look down here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. I'm not looking at the price action. I'm just looking at this over here. We have traders doing really well here because what they're doing is they're scalping for 3 to 4% in the markets. That's all they're looking to take. This is what I taught you guys in the master classes. This is more the risky side of the strategy, but I teach you guys how to be even more secure by using the metrics on top of that. You're going for 3 to 4%. Every single person that uses our scalping strategy ever since it's come out, you have all won your trades. You've never lost a single trade. Okay, on top of that, when you're using these indicators, you guys can use them to predict market moves down. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, looking for the drop there. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, looking for the drop. Okay, bringing us to the forefront here, what are we looking for? Trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, guys. So I'm looking for this move back up here for a possible double top at around 15 cents, and then I wouldn't doubt if we do start moving back down. These indicators here are making people tens of thousands of dollars. And I want to make this clear, guys. You guys have 2 more days. Today's the 29th. March ends on the 31st. Okay. So you guys have 2 more days. This is the biggest sell we have ever had on the indicators. Get them in the description. You guys literally get 84% off all of them. You have 2 more full days left to get these, and they're going to be going up at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Thursday. Okay. $43,000 this guy made doing what I just showed you guys. $43,000 there, $12,000, $4,000, $2,200. I show you guys this a lot because it's part of our strategy. We have the highest win rate on YouTube, and people do really, really well with our indicators. That's in the description, so make sure you guys are snagging those. Now, I want to go over the metrics here. So go to the front page, scroll down to Dogecoin. Okay. Before we start this, look at this real quick. I want to bring your guys' attention to the psychology of a market cycle. Okay, this is awesome, but it doesn't show necessarily that I love the representation, but this down here is better. This is literally the price action chart of Bitcoin on Bitfinex. I believe, guys, right now we are in the beginning stages of what's called a disbelief rally. Okay, we see a nice pump in the beginning. We see, basically consolidation in the market. We did the shelving off here and we dropped down and we started to move back up. Okay, keep that in mind. Come back over here and look at Dogecoin. We're going to pull some projections in here and we're going to make some realistic projections of where this can go. Okay, taking a look at Dogecoin here. We had our initial pump. Does this look anything? Look at this. And you have this and you have the move down. Does that look anything like this? I think so. It's what happens in the markets, guys. It's not tracking price action. It's tracking human behavior. It really is. Let me get these out of the way just to clean this up here real quick. Okay, now that we've seen this initial pump and we're coming back down here, I believe this was the shelf pattern right here, and that was the drop for us right there. And when I say right there, I'm talking about this right here. This was bigger on Bitcoin, but I believe right now we're in this phase right there. Because if you take this and you look at the descending resistance line, we are in this moment right here where we're starting to push back up. Okay, let's go back over so you guys can see this. We're right here in this moment coming back up. For Bitcoin, at least, this had a disbelief rally, at least a 50% retracement of the high. Okay, so if you're looking at this and you literally, let's get a Fibonacci retracement now. You take the bottom, you take the top, and you need to look at a 50% retracement. Where is that? It's sitting right here at about 43 cents. So before the end of the year is over, I do believe we have enough momentum based off historical data of what the markets like to do and what they want to do. Look at this, guys. Look at this right here. We're seeing March. Interesting. It's March right now. And that's exactly where it puts us if you're looking at this. March, April, May, June, July. Do you see this right here? That is March, April, May, 2 months, June, July. That's 4 months away. In 4 months, could we be hitting this high here of, not high, but the 50% retracement of 43 cents? I do believe that's absolutely possible. And I do believe this is the most accurate prediction we have based off historical data of what's happened with Bitcoin. Okay, if Elon, guys, and honestly, I want to say this because I think Dogecoin doesn't get that great of a rep. Okay, honestly, because they're like Elon Musk is like the guy that's pushing it, and I'm gonna admit I'm part of those guys that say that. But Elon Musk has not come out with any tweets, and it is following the market cycle already. And it's already pumping without Elon Musk. So this is actually even healthier for Dogecoin. Now let's go over the metrics over here, and I'll show you guys how to access these. The metrics, here you guys go, just so you know how to access this, and we'll dive right in. 114 wins, which we're actually up. I need to update this morning, and I'll make sure I do this. We're at 116 wins. This is 116 right here. So I'll make sure I do that, guys, for the next video. We're literally winning the trades so fast. We're trying to keep up with them all. So $95 a month, guys. I don't want to turn this into a sales video, but seriously, if you guys want to start trading with us, this is how we're making all of our money. We have the healthiest channel on YouTube we can find. We're actually back in the profit while a lot of people are still down 40 to 50%. All of the entries and exits that I call for you guys for the trades, Telegram channel. Masterclasses, they're all yours. And then we're going to go live in Zoom on April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, let's go over the metrics. You guys will get access to all this. All right, just showing you guys like it's literally entering into a classroom and a new type of trading where we've just never lost a trade, and it's what you guys want to be doing. It's very, very healthy to trade this way. Okay, the emotional index, the emotions of the market is in the greedy section. This is very high, guys, and the last time we were this high, we dropped very, very fast. Now, thankfully here, we're actually starting pretty low, so I don't think it's going to go down too far, but I would expect, just be prepared, guys, for a move back down. Any type of big move back down is going to be healthy in this scenario. Long versus short trades, let's get it in here a little bit deeper so we can see this. Short trades are moving out just a little bit here, and long trades are staying the same. This is healthy. You know, in a market that's moving up, short trades decreasing is actually a very good sign. Normally, when a market does go up, short trades actually increase because they're trying to sell the high of the price. But it's not happening. Long trades are actually moving out. Very bullish sign. Now, one more of a bullish sign, guys, look at the market cap for Dogecoin. It is finally starting to move back up here. And by the millions, guys, seriously. So Dogecoin, I know it's a coin that people are like, oh, forget this. We're never getting back to highs again. No, we are. Like by the end of Friday and going into this weekend, I wouldn't doubt if we actually push up to about 17 cents. That is a little aggressive in my opinion, 17 cents structure high, but I do think it's possible. Trend exhaustion being high like this, well money flow being high, you guys need to be looking for drops back down. Okay, let's continue in here. Trades in favor are pushed into the good short trade area. So would I personally take a short trade right now? I personally would not because we're so low in structure. If we start moving back up here to around that 50% retracement, anywhere up here to this structure right here, anywhere up here, absolutely be looking to take some short trades. I don't take short trades. I never will on this channel, most likely because we're just trading on Coinbase because we cannot short trade on Coinbase. So that's the reason for that. Okay, coming down here, Wells Institutional, Smart Money. These guys have been pulling out short trades here. They did it over here. We did see a price drop. We did see a price drop here. It doesn't look like a lot, guys, but let me show you this to you on the charts. Those moments when they came out there and they were looking to short this, that was this drop right here. That was this drop right there, and that was this drop right here. This has not come back to a high yet, guys. This could easily be a formation that goes like that and pushes us straight back down. So those of you guys who are using this and you're like, wow, these metric bars are really short down here, I'm going to take a short trade out. What you can do, let me just show this to you guys. Let me show you like some percentages here first. 67% profit on this is not bad at all. So you guys are doing pretty well. You did not get in at the top. You didn't get out at the bottom. So if you guys are even scalping this for 3 to 4%, like I show you guys on the scalping strategy, and you're looking at trend exhaustion being high, well money flow high, and you're kind of teaming this up with the smart money metric over here, not a bad place to look for shorts. Here's how, I'll keep going to the metrics, guys, but here's the master class of how to scalp. For those of you guys who love master classes and scalping, go to the master classes, come over here, and it's master class 7. That's how you guys scalp with the indicators, okay? Just so you guys know. A lot of people are doing very well, and that's part of the strategy that people on the testimonials are using over here. And they're just using the indicators as well to do their own type of trading, which is really cool. Okay, let's finish this up here, and I'll get you guys into a trade. Support and resistance. You know, the resistance I'm looking at as 17 cents. That's where we're really looking for. But really, I want you guys to keep that picture in your mind. I want you guys to remember that area, that 50% retracement. It is where I really do think we can hit in about 4 months. And I'm going to give that target to you guys again here, and I'm going to write it down on the iPad here just so we all have it. If you take the low to structure high, let me get this a little bit bigger here. We're looking at, I would say, honestly, guys, in the next 4 months, we're looking at about 43 cents in the next 4 months. So let me do 4 months and 43 cents. So holding this position, holding Doge for us moving back into here is going to be smart. I'm going to be holding positions a little bit longer than normal. I told this to you guys on, I think, the Telegram channel yesterday and also the video, because I want us to hold a little bit longer when we're low. The thing that retail traders do really well is they hold losing trades for a long time into the loss, but they don't hold winning trades long enough. So I want to teach you guys how to do that and show that to you. Dollar cost average entries here. Those of you guys who got in here, putting $1,000 into each green line every morning, you know, when you guys see this at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you guys are doing fantastic. Great job. You guys are up about 32%. That's not bad at all. If you guys wait for me to exit this trade over here, when I actually exit from the break even, you guys will do over 120%, because I'm going to take an exit right around structure high here, and then I'm going to let the stop loss just ride as high as it wants to go. So you guys will probably do about 130 to 140% if you guys watch that. Okay, the trade setup for Dogecoin. Let me get you guys into this, and then we'll end this video. How do we trade this strategy and never lose a trade? Let me show you guys. Go to Bitcoin, scroll all the way down here to the bottom, right down here. And here's how we trade this, guys. Pretend this is on Dogecoin. I just want to keep it private for our members. You guys are going to choose the amount that you want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, 250, and place 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 250, 250, 250, 250. Great. Once you do that and your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set up a sell limit at the green. This is in case the market skyrockets up and you guys want to be taken out, because the market can do some crazy things really fast. Look at Luna. Look how fast Luna's moved up in the last 24 hours. That's in case the market moves up. I have moved this up quite a bit higher for Bitcoin this morning, so we'll update in about 30 minutes here. Okay. Once you guys do that, just follow me in the Telegram channel, and I'm calling exits and letting you guys know every single time we exit a coin. And every single time I'm entering back into a coin, I'm letting you guys know. I did enter back in with SHIB last night, and I have 62 million SHIB. So it's not that much, but it's kind of fun that we can talk about it and just say 62,700,000 is just an awesome number. So I am in Shiba Inu with you guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get over something a little bit, so my throat's a little scratchy this morning. But make sure you guys are just in this market. If you guys have money on the side, I would honestly try to get some money in. I'm not a financial advisor, but getting into any of the buy limits and that 4 buy limit strategy that we have for these coins, make sure you guys are looking into that, and then watch the masterclass over here for how to actually use what's called the equator. If you guys use the equator, this will show you guys how to actually make more money in crypto. It's literally impossible to not make more money if you use the equator principle in Masterclass 1. It's the first thing. I wanted to start it first. It will all make you guys more money if you're following us on this channel. Make sure you guys are watching that, okay? It has to do with money allocation to each coin. Last but not least, guys, you know this already, but the indicator sell, you guys literally have 2 more days left, 2 full days left. I guess we can kind of call it 3, but the reason why I don't do that is because we have got people on the other side of the world that technically this day is almost ending for them, and they watch this channel. So for everybody, my mom, when we were younger, I'm like, Mom, how many more days until the vacation? She's like, 2 more days. And I'm like, Wait. If you're counting today, that's 3 days. She's like, no, it's 2 full days. So anyways, guys, however you look at this, here's the date. On 3/31 at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the bundle pack is going to be going back up in price to where it was before this discount started. Okay? You guys are going to get 84% off. Just use coupon code MARCH at the checkout, and that's all you guys have to do. It literally is our biggest discounted value sale we have ever ran. You guys get all 10 indicators, obviously the big 3 that everyone loves. You guys are going to get those, the ones I have in my chart, as well as 6 other indicators, 2 for Forex as well. And then we jokingly call this the pressure gauge, which is the jackpot indicator. So make sure you guys watch that. You'll get all of them, set them up. It's a one-time purchase. You guys get them for life, and you guys get the source code to all of the indicators as well, so no one can take them away from you. Okay, guys? Have a blast setting those up today. Do not miss that. Literally, you guys have 2 days left there. Get the membership as well, because we're going to try to target 120 wins for 120 wins. And yes, this is 116 wins now. I will update it right after I get off this video so you guys can see this. But literally, we are just trying to keep on adding value to this membership. We were actually going to up it because I was like, man, we're adding 2 more coins. This is far more valuable, but we just kept it the same. So we're just adding more value and adding more value to you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy that. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Dogecoin, could we see, guys, 43 cents in 4 months? I think it's possible. Guys. So let's watch out for that. End of quarter 2. Actually, moving into quarter 3. Beginning of quarter 3, 43 cents. I think it's possible. All right, guys, God bless you. Everything you need is in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next couple videos today. All right, bye, guys.